It is the holiday season, and we are going to make some Christmas chocolate chip cookies. They start just like a traditional cookie, cream together your butter and sugars. Then you're going to go in with your eggs and your vanilla extract. Let that mix together and get all light and fluffy and kind of light in color. Then we're going to go in with the dry ingredients. And I love this tip for making cookies. Mix all of your dry ingredients together on a piece of parchment paper and then pick it up like a funnel. And all of the dry ingredients funnel right into the bowl without spilling everywhere. Now we're going to go in with the mix-ins that are so yummy. Semi-sweet chocolate chips and some red and green M&Ms for Christmas. Stir all of those into the cookie dough so that they're all mixed in and save out some of those red and green M&Ms. This is one of my favorite cookie tips to have really pretty cookies. You're going to press some on the outside, and then instead of baking into the cookie, you'll see them on the outside, and they'll be just as pretty as the ones you see online. Now, here's another tip for pretty cookies. Right when they come out of the oven, take a glass upside down and shimmy your cookie around in the glass, and you'll have perfectly round cookies just like you see here. Happy holidays, everybody.